Philadelphia has a rich tradition of histories and culture. Local Philadelphians and tourists alike have many opportunities to see and learn about the city on buses or even on duck tours. But seeing the city on foot is becoming a more alternative, especially for those trying to burn a few calories in the process.
I'm a business traveler, and when I'm out, I like to try to take in a run and a lot of different locations. So a bus tour, I think, is very sedentary. This kind of combines exercise and some running. Plus, it's a little bit more of a visceral experience because you are getting to feel the sights rather than sit on a bus.
Samuels is part of a City Running Tours, which is a team of running enthusiasts that gives its clients a chance to exercise while learning about Philadelphia's history. It's easy for business travelers to get tired of the hotel treadmills and crowded gyms. City Running Tours gets them outside by offering guided group tours and personalized runs to fit any athletic ability and style. The group hosts social running club tours every weekend.
I moved to Philadelphia a couple of years ago. I thought it was a good way to get to know the city, and I love running, so I thought it was a perfect combination. So I started as a guide in March of 2010. Philadelphia is way better than other cities. Aside from being, have a lot of America's oldest, America's first things, Ben Franklin, it's great. We can cover a lot of ground, see a lot of stuff in a good pace and a good distance.
City Running Tours takes people all over the city of Philadelphia. They have river-to-river tours that take groups from the Schuylkill to the Delaware, historic tours that cover places like the Betsy Ross House, Independence Hall, and Love Park.
Tour all the major sections of the city, and so I personally like that one. I do a little bit of mid-distance and track running as well, so I do a lot of the local 5Ks and races.
I consider myself a runner. I've been running for about a year and a half. I'm going to be 40 this year, and I want to run a marathon for the first time, so I am in training for that.
Many of the runners love the intimacy and the local perspective the City Running Tours guides have to offer in all of the Philadelphia landmarks. Reporting for Temple Update, I'm Katherine Chung.